People say loneliness is a feeling, but to me, it has a sound. It's not loud, it's not dramatic. It's the quiet that settles over everything when there's no one else around. After living with it for so long, I've learned to recognize its voice. The sound of loneliness begins the moment I wake up. There's no conversation coming from another room. No one saying good morning. No footsteps except my own. The apartment feels still, and I move through it without speaking because there isn't anyone there to hear me. As the day goes on, I hear life happening around me. I hear neighbors laughing through open windows, children playing outside, people talking as they walk down the street. Their voices remind me that connection is happening everywhere, even if I'm not a part of it. I don't resent those sounds. Sometimes I just stop and listen because they make the world feel alive. When I come home, the silence is waiting for me. I unlock the door, step inside, and hear nothing. No one asking where I've been. No television already playing. No conversation filling the room. Just the familiar quiet that has become part of my everyday life. Sometimes I turn on music or leave the television playing in the background. It's not because I'm paying close attention. I just want to hear another voice. Something that makes the room feel a little less empty. Even if it's only for a while. It softens the silence. At night, the quiet becomes even more noticeable. I hear the hum of the refrigerator, the ticking of the clock, the wind outside my window. Those small sounds seem louder because there isn't much else competing with them. They remind me that I'm awake, listening to a world that keeps moving while my own room stays still. Living with this kind of quiet has made me appreciate the simple sounds that many people probably take for granted. A friend calling my name, someone laughing at something I said, a casual conversation over coffee. Those ordinary moments have a value that's impossible to measure until they've been missing for a long time. I don't believe the sound of loneliness will be with me forever. I like to think that one day the silence will be interrupted by genuine conversation, shared laughter, and the everyday noise that comes from having people in my life. Until then, I keep listening, hoping that someday the quiet will finally give way to connection.